Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change and watch a video a day. It doesn't cost you any money, only costs you a little bit of time, and you're going to help improve your ACT math score. So there's the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and let's get back into it for today. So it tells us, let f be defined by f of x equals 4x plus 7. Let g be defined by g of x equals negative 2x squared plus 11x plus 1. That tells us, again, this notation, with the output y and then the function notation. Y equals f of x and y equals g of x intersect at one of the following xy points. Which one? All right, so basically all this means is we have a linear graph, which is the f of x. We have a quadratic graph, which is the g of x, and they intersect at one of the following points. Okay, so they might intersect at two just because of the nature of a quadratic. So algebraically, we could set these equal to each other and solve. But that's going to be pretty time-consuming and long because we have the quadratic. So today is just straight up Desmos hack. Right, we're going to put both of these functions in, and we could call them both y. I will just be consistent with what the ACT says and call them in their function notation. So f of x equals 4x plus 7, and then g of x equals negative 2x squared plus 11x plus 1. All right, so let's look and see where these intersect. So I make this a little bit bigger. Let's just look. Okay, so I can see they intersect somewhere along there. We can zoom in with Desmos a little bit, try to figure it out. Or if we just click, Desmos will automatically know that we're looking for where they intersect. So they do intersect twice at two different locations. However, the ACT question only asks us to provide one of them. So the first one I see is 2 and 15. I like that a little bit better because the numbers are positive, they're not fractions. But if I look over at my answer choices, I don't see a 2, 15. So it must be the other one, 1.5, 13. Now Desmos gives it to us as a decimal, but as you see over on the ACT choices, it gives it to us as a fraction. It shouldn't be too difficult because the y value or the output value is 13, and there's only one choice that has an output value of 13. If you're having trouble converting between that fraction and that decimal there, right? 1.5 and 1.5 are the same thing. So there we are, choice B. All right, I know that ACT Math Prep isn't the most exciting stuff out there, but your future self will thank you if you like and subscribe. That way you can keep getting these quick hits, learn about the ACT, learn a little math, and learn a Desmos hack when we can. Thanks for watching, everyone.